If you are a SAP SD beginner and when you practice on the system, then you receive different errors and you don't know what to do. For example, you may be getting errors while creating a sales order or maybe outbound delivery or billing document. And you don't know how to fix it. There's so many different org structure in the system that you're using. You try different company code, you try different sales organization, but nothing working, and you're not able to create the end-to-end documents in the sales process. So if you are one of them, then this video is for you, and I will tell you how to find the right org structure in your system which you can use to create the end-to-end sales process. So keep watching till the end. So basically, to create a sales order and outbound delivery and the billing document, basically these are the org structure you need. You need to find what is the right company code I should be using, or sales org, distribution channel, division, plant, shipping point, storage location, etc. If you know how to create them, then well and good, go and create it. If you don't know, then use the existing one and I will tell you which one you need to use. Not only this org structure, you also need to find out what is the right customer code you need to use, or if you're using S/4HANA, you need to find out what is the right BP code you should be using, and also what is the material code you should be using. So the trick is very simple. So basically, the system that you're using, if you're using most of the time we're using a shared system. That means other students are also using the same system, or other trainers are also using the same system. Even if you install the system in your laptop, then still there are some documents already created in the system. So you need to find what is the last billing documents created in the system, right? And if a successful billing document was created in the system, that means we can use the org structure that was used in those billing documents or the linked sales order. So let me tell you how to find it. So in your SAP system, you need to go to the table first. So go to SE16N. If you don't know about the tables, don't worry, I'll teach you everything here. And here you can enter VBRK on the top and press enter. VBRK is the table for the billing document header data. And here I need to find, for example, this system I'm using here is a shared system and used by different students. So what I will do, you can see the billing date here. So I will say in my system, so today is my date is this. So let me put the today's date. For example, it's 2nd of May today. So I'll say I'll go back 1 month. I want to search for all the billing documents created within the last 1 month. So I will change the dates from 2nd of May to 2nd of April and click on this icon and say greater than. Here I can select greater than. So that means I'm saying I need to see all the billing documents created in the system within the last month, that is greater than 2nd of previous month. If I execute, you can see system found 14 records here. In case if you do not find any record, then go back 2 months or go back 6 months, you'll find something. So here I can say these are the documents created, and also you can see the dates of the document. And other thing you can see is if I scroll right, you can see on this side, you can see that's the company code used. And here you can see the sales organization. So somebody used the sales organization DE00, and that's a distribution channel. And also there's another sales organization used, that was POCO. So I will pick one of them. I'll pick DE00 because most of the documents were created by for this sales org. So I can copy one of the billing document number and open a new screen and open the billing document. So I will go to VF03 to display the billing document, and I can enter the billing document, press enter. So that's a billing document. Here you can see the material code, but I'll go to the sales order screen and I'll show you in more details. So what you need to do is to go to the document flow, click on this document flow. First you need to jump to the sales order. I'll go to the sales order. and that's a sales order screen. I can click on this icon to go to the header. And in the header, I can see there's a order type used, there's a sales area, there's a sales org, distribution channel 00, division 01, so 00, sorry. And I can note down these are the sales area that I need to use. Other thing I can check is go back. I can check this is a sold to party or the BP number in S4HANA that I can use. And here you can also see that is a material code used for this sales order. So I can use the same master data, or I can also create my own material or own customer code and then use the sales area, same sales area. And here you can see the plant, that's a plant, right? And again, now I'll go to the document flow again, and I need some data from the delivery document. So I can click on delivery document, display document. And here you can see again the plant storage, that's a storage location. And also somewhere in the header, you will see shipping point. So that's a shipping point, you can see shipping point is DE01 also. So you can now write down all these sales org structure data and create your own transaction. You should be fine from end to end sales order to the billing document. So thank you for watching this. I'll see you in the next video.